If you need to request materials like books or articles that are not in the University of Alabama's collection, you can place an interlibrary loan request to get access to that resource through another institution. To place an interlibrary loan request, go to the UA Libraries homepage and click Interlibrary Loan in the box in the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to Iliad, our interlibrary loan system. Use your MyBama information to log in. The first time you log into Iliad, you will be prompted to fill out a form with your contact information. If you are an on-campus student, select Hold for Pickup. If you are a distance learning student, select Mail to Address. To request an article, select the New Request drop-down menu, select Scan, and then fill out the form. Please note that the more information we have, the quicker we can get the request through. If you're requesting an article through one of the library databases, this form will already be filled out. To request a book or other physical item, select Physical Item, and then go through the same process. If you selected Hold for Pickup, you will be able to pick up the item from the Gorgas circulation desk. If you're a distance student, it will be mailed to you. Interlibrary loan requests tend to be fulfilled pretty quickly. When your item is ready, or if there are any issues, you will be contacted by a member of the ILL team. You can also contact them with any questions at illstaff@ua.edu. Thanks, and see you next time!